You've got a new listing. You take great photos, get it on the MLS, maybe even run a newspaper ad. And you wait. You're hoping the right buyer sees it. But in a market this competitive, hope isn't a strategy. The truth is, the world has changed. The old way of doing business isn't dead, but it's no longer enough. Your next buyer or seller isn't just looking at the MLS, they're scrolling.
Think about it. Social media gives you a direct line to millions of potential clients. This isn't just about putting a picture of a house online. It's about expanding your reach far beyond your local network. You can connect with people relocating from another state, or even another country, who would never have seen your local ad. But it's more than just reach. It's about engagement. Social media lets you start a conversation. You can answer questions, build trust, and establish yourself as an expert. This isn't a one-way broadcast. It's a two-way street where you build relationships that lead to sales. You can use powerful targeting tools to show your listing directly to people who fit the exact profile of the ideal buyer. A game changer.
So what does this look like? Start with high-quality visuals. A simple photo won't cut it. Use a short video to showcase a home's flow, or a stunning aerial shot to highlight the property's surroundings. Use your captions to tell a story about the home. Don't just list the number of bedrooms. Talk about the cozy reading nook or the perfect backyard for summer barbecues. The key is to be consistent. Share new listings, market updates, and behind-the-scenes moments. Show people who you are and what you do. Every post is a chance to build your personal brand and show clients that you're a modern, forward-thinking agent.
Ultimately, social media isn't a replacement for great real estate work. It's an amplification. It's how you take what you already do well and put it in front of the people who need to see it most. It's how you go from waiting for clients to actively attracting them.
With Real Estate Photographer Pro, we don't just take pictures. We deliver a complete social media marketing kit for every property. Our kit has everything you need to promote your listing and your brand. Ready-to-use video reels, eye-catching posts, and more. Let us handle the content so you can focus on what you do best, selling homes. Real Estate Photographer Pro, your all-in-one solution for stunning visuals and a winning social media strategy. Build your business, one great post at a time.